Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the battery drain on your LENOVO Tab One. So actually this is a common issue on this type of tablet, which is the budget one. This tablet has 500 mAh for this tablet this size. It's nice, but it's not that good amount. At first, let's unlock our tablet. Now we have to go to the settings, which is this icon over here. And now if we tap that, and here search the settings, we have to scroll down till we see the battery over here. Tap this. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of cool things, but what we want is the battery saver. Tap this and enable this option. Here, turn on. And now as you can see, they have a lot of features that are enabled now. For example, wait a moment, I need to disable it for the purpose of the video. We will have enabled direct mode, switch off live wallpaper, turn off after reaching power level. Here as I can see recommended, but what I do recommend is to have enabled these two options, and of course enable this option over here, so the battery to automatically enable. Turn on battery saver when battery is below the percentage, and as you can see we can set it up to 75%, but that's not what we want. We can set it, for example, to 20% or 30%. It of course depends on the level we want to set it. Now we can go back, and that's it from the battery saver things. Now we can go back again to the display. Let's move here to the display, and now straight from here we can lower the brightness level. And apart from the lowering the brightness level, we can enable here, as you can see, the adaptive brightness. And what it does is actually adjusting the brightness level up to our environment. And where is the camera in this tablet? Here, up to our environment light. As you can see, I don't know why, but it doesn't work now. But it should work. Let me disable it and enable this. Now the brightness should lower to the level of somewhere here. As you can see, it's slightly going down. That's how this option works. Now we can move to the next option, which is the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS connections. So here we can scroll to this control panel over here from the top right corner to the middle, and prolong it with this line over here. And what we do have here is a bunch of cool things. So here, as you can see, we do have Wi-Fi. If you want to leave your tablet for a moment not used, and you don't want to receive notifications, however, we do have actually here the SIM card. So yeah, we can disable the Wi-Fi. If you still want to receive the notifications, just insert the SIM card to this tablet, and then it will be good to go. And apart from the Wi-Fi, here as you can see, they have Bluetooth. If you do have some headphones and you're using these headphones with this tablet, and then you want to stop using your tablet, stop using the headphones, you want to take some break or just go somewhere, remember about disabling the Bluetooth. It uses a lot of battery even though your tablet is idle. Here, as you can see, we do have location services, and here as you can see, we can turn them on, but if they are turned on, we have to disable it, of course. And if we disable them using just a simple tap like this and tap close, you have now the less battery drain. Now we can move to the battery back again here, but now we won't focus on the battery saver. We'll wait a moment, we have to scroll down and tap here view by apps. Now as you can see, I have this tablet after setup, so here we don't have any application. But if you have here any application, for example like TikTok or something else, you can tap and uninstall this application. It's because this application may have very high battery drain and impact on the battery. And of course, if you don't want to use this application, you can uninstall it, and is recommended for your battery life and health. If you tap here, view by systems, you can see the tablet systems in this tablet. And if you don't want some, of course it's at your own risk, on your own, you can do this on your own. Disable some services. Of course it's about some Android Auto or something like that, like CarPlay. Of course I don't recommend to disable these system services, because they are all usable and you use them every day, so I don't really recommend to turn them off. But yeah, it's at your own risk, on your own risk. Now you can move to the next step. So let's go back at the moment. No, not this type of going back. Here now in the settings, you can scroll all the way down to the about tablet and tap system update. Here now you can tap check for updates. As you can see, I'm not connected to any network, so let me turn my Wi-Fi on back again and tap check for updates. Here, if you do have any updates, I do recommend to update your tablet. And why? Here we may have some quick patch fixes, bug fixes, or anything else, and we can fix battery related bugs, and it happens on every single device ever produced actually. Quick patches, fixes, etc. It's just very common, and don't be surprised if this should help you, if it helps you. Here, as you can see, I don't have the latest version, so I won't update my tablet. But if you do have some older version, or you watch this video 2 years after the release, you may have some newer version with some patches. And actually that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under our video. It's really important to us to have your feedback, so leave a like, subscribe, and leave your opinion about this video in the comments. And as I said, that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.